Hey YouTube, we'll go down here. No, we'll do it right. Hey, both cameras, there we go. Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage, screwing around, you know. I got a air compressor that I picked up at the junkyard. Take a look. Are you seeing that alright? Yeah, kinda. There you go. Little Craftsman. It's been roughed up. You know, it's been roughed up. The cords are a mess. But, you know, what I really saw on it when I was at the junkyard, as all you scrapping buddies know, copper, lots of copper. Well, you know, I picked it up, threw it in the truck. This here, the oil is, the plug for the oil is missing. So, you know, let's plug it in and see what happens. Ready? Oh, you guys can't. Ready? She's locked up. Well, let's take it apart and see if we can make it move. Well, that's how the last guy got it off of there. Only a little bit of a bee's nest. You see that? Oh yeah. Locked up tight right there. I bet it's locked up in there. Spare parts. We need to get in there. Allen wrench. It's rusted. The crankshaft is rusted. You can see the water in there. Yeah, it'll do that. The motor ain't stuck. It's right there. I don't know how good you can tell, but yeah, that's where it ain't going nowhere. You know. Let's see what we can do with that. Oh yeah, you see all the water down in there? Oh, yeah. We got it off even. I didn't try to do that, but let me show you in there. Look at that. Wonder, huh? I bet. Let's plug her back in. Well. Well, B. Now we get something to play with, don't we? Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Now, how do we clean that puppy? Think we gotta go deeper. Yep, that'll work. Maybe. Yeah, that's cool. Nice and easy, that's good. What do they call it? Put a little assembly lube on that. Where'd I put it? Little assembly lube. You saw all that, hopefully. see if she makes it in. Well, she won't build air because it leaks all over the place, and I ain't buying. Yeah, huh? Well, there you have it. It won't build air because it's leaking everywhere, but I don't need it anyways. I really only took it for the video and for the copper because I knew you guys would love the copper. Hi. They can't see you because you're too short. So I'll be stripping it up for the copper, and you know, who knows what else. Thanks for watching. Peace out.